Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to order products on Meesho app through how to pay online, okay, on Meesho app while you are ordering some products. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly, here you have to move on Meesho. When you have been moved on Meesho app, here you can see it is opening right now. Okay, when it has been opened, here you can see the search bar. Just click on the search bar and you can search for the women top. If you want to search for the women top, from here you can see here's the women top. After that, from here you can select any top. Okay, suppose I select this top. If you want to buy this one, just if you want to buy now, just click on buy now. If you want to buy next week, then just click on add to cart. Okay, just click on the add to cart, select the size and click on add to cart if you want to buy next day. Okay, after you have been click on the add to cart, if you don't know where is the cart option, here's the cart option. Just click on the cart. From here you can see, okay, that you have been selected. Okay, if you want to order, what you need to do is that you just select from here that dress that you want to download, I mean order. Okay, from here you can select the colors also. If you want to select the color, if you don't like from here the colors, then you can select the other color also. After that, from here you can select the size. Okay, I select the 24 and color is this. Then after that, just click on the buy now. When you click on the buy now, again it has came the buy now option. Again you have to move on buy now. When you have been move on buy now, just click on the continue. When click on the continue, it says extra 15% off online payment discount apply. If you pay online payment, are getting the extra discounts, okay, from the Meesho app. And if you pay the offline cash on delivery, then you won't get the discount. Okay, suppose this is about like 795, but it used the Meesho app used to give us the discount 780. So which will be your choice? Okay, so if you want to pay through online, then it will be better for you. And if you want to pay cash on delivery, it will lose your money. Even the 1 rupee also lost, then only it's very difficult to get even the 1 rupee also. So if you want to save the money, you can pay through online. Okay, so I prefer online payment. You prefer which payment, you can select on that payment. Okay, if you don't know how to link the bank, then you have to search the videos, okay, how to link the bank through Meesho app. Okay, here you have to just click on the place order after you have been select. So I prefer the online, so I'm just going to check the another phone. Where is the phone pay? So this is the another phone. There is the phone, here is the phone pay. Okay, so I open the phone pay. After that, here I select the phone pay option. Okay, when I select the phone pay, you can see here I select the phone pay. It's waiting. Then just click on the pay now. I'm going to get the 15% extra discount. Okay, then after that, I just click on the pay now. When I move on the pay now, here they used to give only 5 minutes. Okay, so you have to pay faster. Okay, so here's the pay option. If you want to decline, you can decline. If you want to pay later, just click on later. But this time, if this time will be over, then it will be over. Okay, you have to click again. So just click on the pay. When you move on the pay, here is the pay option again. Just click on the pay, and after that, here it's loading. So let's type the pin. Okay, wait more. So friends, here you can see I finished to type my pin. After finish to type my pin, here is the tick option. Just click on the tick. When I click on the tick, here is the connecting securely. When it is connecting securely, here you can see it has paid successfully. Okay, so here's the order also confirm, and you got 15% discount. So if you want to get the 15% discount, you can get like this discount. Okay, if you want to get the discount. So friends, hope you loved the video. Wait for a minute, I forget to show you where is the order. Okay, here just click on the Meesho app, and here on the middle you can see my order. When you move on the my order, here is the order. Which one you order, you can check from here. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.